Here's a 1963 Impala to take a look at. Two-door sport coupe or two-door hardtop. Underneath the hood, 350 crate, 5.7 liter GM engine. That is paired with a 4-speed manual transmission. Also has power steering, power brakes, aluminum radiator, tubular control arms. A lot has been done to this car within the last few thousand miles, and last 3-4 years there's a kind of a stack of receipts that will go with the car we did get from the previous owner, and I'll go through that a little bit too on what has been done. But if you want to check out the still pictures so you can see the engine bay, the underside of this, check out the interior. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description there's a link. Click on it, it's going to take you right there. Of course you can call us too, 507-386-1726.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Chrome in the bright work, nice looking up front. Be one you can take any of your local shows, cruise-ins, roll-ins. Have fun with this car. Was originally an ember red car, as you can see, still in a similar color. Obviously has been repainted and gone through. Interior's been redone with kind of a red and white two-tone vinyl bucket seats up front. Kept the dash pretty stock looking with the exception of that aftermarket tachometer. It does have a Pioneer Super Tuner stereo in it now. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with the transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Just consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. All right, a few of the things that have been done to this. Recently, was front wheel bearings done, rear brakes and wheel cylinders also done. I mentioned the tubular control arms have been put up front. Car was aligned. New steering rack was put in it. Flowmaster exhaust, shocks and springs. Transmission was gone through, also aluminum radiator was added, and that steering rack and engine was all done approximately 4 to 5 years ago from the receipts, and what I can see from miles, it's had probably a few thousand miles put on it since that much of that stuff was done. And again, check with your sales consultant when you call in, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Riding on American Racing polished wheels, Cooper Cobra radials, and you can see up and down the car it's not full of dings, nicks, scratches. I mean, you're going to find some imperfections in the paint here and there, yes, but overall, again, very nice showing car. All right, let's go ahead and check out this interior. We're going to start it up, let you hear it run. We'll check out that engine bay. I have pictures without the floor mats in there in the still pictures so you can see what the carpeting looks like. Door panels, buckets, seat belts, of course. I did have the wipers working also in this one earlier. It does have a tilt column in it. A lot of nicer features to this car when it was redone, and I'll show you those under the hood too. See how easy that 350 fires up. Here's the gas gauge works. Did notice there's a couple aftermarket gauges down here. Worked, and also the tach. Alright. Slip around to the back of this, you hear that 350. Nothing crazy, little rumble coming out of it. Flowmaster exhaust. Alright. Slip up to the front here. Let me pause this a second. Let's get this hood open and check out that engine bay. Alright. Like I said, some newer features on this. There's a crate engine that's been installed. Got power steering, Doug's headers, power brakes, aluminum radiator, nice tidy engine, nice setup. Sounds good. Like I said, the engine was put in within the last 4 to 5 years, but according to the miles when it was done, probably a few thousand miles on it, so it looks like from the receipts. There you go, 1963 Chevrolet Impala. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call it or email.